Groundhog Day of Infamy, February 2nd, 2011. Let's see the damage. Lots of limbs down. Don't think I've ever seen this many limbs down. Not after one storm, anyway. And comes the worst part. Bubba got broke. Like my favorite tree. Pretty mad at old man Winter for taking out Mother Nature's creation there. Not nice, old man Winter. So I got clean up. Have to move those branches so I can back out. I think it would take 3 people to wrap their arms around the trunk of that tree to give you an idea of the size. That branch that's laying down is the size of many trees. Well, plenty of firewood.